Hey, what's going on, guys? I got a few of these glow-in-the-dark Harry Potter advent calendars, so I just wanted to open one up real quick and show it to you. My kids love these things. Me and my wife still love Harry Potter, so just a really cool thing to have around for the holidays. So this comes in this shrink wrap here. So take that off, and you can see, if you want to have a up close look at the box, you can see some of the things it comes with. So has says 24 gifts inside, a spin around in the back, and it comes with 8 figurines in there. And then back on the front here has these doors that open up, and then of course, like advent calendars do, they have all the doors in there that you can punch open. It's also, again, like I mentioned, glow in the dark. I'm not positive how that part works yet. I think I have to charge it up in the light, so I'll do another video showing that. But, you know, I just wanted you to see how cool it looks when you first get it.